finished that film with birds, and birds are a fascinating area too, because there are about 34 species of birds of paradise, and they go to this extreme trouble, not only to dress themselves magnificently, but to dance in a way that their dress attracts the opposite sex. But there is another form of bird of paradise that doesn't use dress to do it. It's the bowerbird, and it builds a pad so wonderfully that that is what attracts the opposite sex. Now, there's a wonderful woman who comes here from Boston every year, and she has been for the last 8 years, Mary Jo O'Connor, who stays up the road here in Millwood, and on her way to New Guinea, West Papua. She is in the States, she's an artist. She's the sort of Georgia O'Keeffe of parrot's feathers. But she has been making now an 8-year study of the bowerbirds of this particular region in West New Guinea. And she's made some amazing discoveries that a lot of the scientists, because scientists aren't allowed into West Papua, as you probably know, any more than our correspondents nowadays. The only people who are allowed in are artists. Why? Same old thing as it was in Timor, same old thing as it was in Aceh. Plenty going on there, political things, and they don't want anybody in there. But anyway, she brings out this fascinating information. Over her 8 years of studying these particular bowerbirds, she's come up with 4 that she has named, same ones she's watched year by year, and one of them she refers to as Rembrandt, because he works exclusively with light. Fairly dull colours, but he's totally brilliant with light. Fairly simple structure, his bower. But what he's done is he uses leaves which are reflective, particularly on one side, and he places them at points around his bower that catch the rising and the setting rays of the sun, that send a shaft of sunlight right into his bower. There is another one that she refers to as Picasso in his blue period, that only goes for blue objects, all sorts of wonderful blue objects, which match his eye as well. Now remember, these birds build around their bower a little sort of a fence,